I'm Matthew Hunt from Collapsible Workbenches. We're standing in a standard single car garage of 3 meters wide by 6 meters in length, which leaves some wanting for space utilization. While this is enough space for parking smallish cars, we all have that desire within us for a solid workbench to repair, make and create in comfort, where garage space comes at a premium. So what's the solution? This is the Collapsible Workbench, a unique, robust and ingeniously designed unit that comes with a lifetime guarantee. The entire collapsible workbench folds away to a depth of 500 millimeters off the back of your garage. The mobile but solid 280 kilogram unit is well balanced and designed with safety in mind so that you can't bring down the 50 kilogram bench top while the doors are in place. Opening the countertop doors reveals the full depth of the collapsible workbench, providing nearly 2 square meters worth of workspace. Plenty of space for any of the arts and crafts, electronics, woodworking, mechanical fix-ups, or whatever you may need a solid workspace for. There are 3 sizes of the collapsible workbench available: 1.2 meter, 1.5 meter, and 1.8 meter full size in length. Each have the same height and depth of 1.6 meters tall and a shallow 500 millimeters depth. The collapsible workbench features 2 large side cavities and 5 forward-facing drawers, 1 long top drawer for longer items, 3 central drawers, and 1 deep drawer for bulkier items. All drawers feature soft closing sliders. The collapsible workbench is made from the highest quality timber and birch ply available, giving the cabinet a lifetime of durability and won't corrode or age like sheet metal tool chests. The backlit deep recess allows you to customize the cabinet to all of your own needs. The Basic Spec model includes 2 power sockets within the interior recess, while the fully spec'd version has 3 power sockets at the front with USB power points. The fully spec'd option also includes 2 downward-facing adjustable gimbal lights for additional lighting focus on your work area, and pneumatics. The 1.8 kilowatt 6-litre air compressor powers the 2 quick-release pneumatic couplings, one on the left and one on the right. For additional storage organization, you can add your selection of these small connectable tilt dispensers. The designs allow for 24 units within each of the top doors and 27 units on each of the bottom doors, for a total capacity of 102 units of these, plus the option for 18 of our larger tilt dispensers. Given how much time you may not be spending at the collapsible workbench, you'll want to feel comfortable, which is why we offer an optional addition of a sturdy, specifically designed draftsman's chair. The custom draftsman's chair features a high sitting position, adjustable with a gas lift lever, wheels for mobility, mesh seat and tilt back support, and adjustable foot and armrest heights for complete ergonomic comfort. Aren't you tired of hanging things on the wall, things going missing, getting weathered, maybe getting stolen? With the collapsible workbench, you'll have a beautiful, safe unit to store anything you use and not have to pack up a temporary workspace every time you want to fix, make and create.